How beefsteak tomatoes can help you live longer. 10 surprising benefits. Beefsteak tomatoes, known for their large size, juicy flesh, and robust flavor, are a staple in many kitchens worldwide. These versatile fruits not only enhance the taste and appearance of a variety of dishes, but also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Here's a closer look at what makes beefsteak tomatoes a nutritional powerhouse. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Heart health. The combination of potassium, vitamin C, and lycopene in beefsteak tomatoes makes them particularly beneficial for heart health. Potassium helps lower blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium. Lycopene, along with other antioxidants, helps reduce cholesterol levels and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which can lead to atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular diseases. Number 2. Cancer prevention. The high antioxidant content, especially lycopene, has been associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers. Studies suggest that a diet rich in tomatoes may lower the risk of prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. The antioxidants in tomatoes help neutralize harmful free radicals, which can cause DNA damage and lead to cancer development. Number 3. Weight management. Low in calories and high in water content, beefsteak tomatoes are an excellent addition to a weight management diet. They provide satiety with minimal calories, helping you feel full and satisfied. Additionally, the fiber content aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Number 4. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in beefsteak tomatoes, particularly vitamin C and lycopene, contribute to healthy, glowing skin. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which maintains skin elasticity and firmness. Lycopene helps protect the skin from UV damage and can improve skin texture. Number 5. Support bone health. Vitamin K and calcium are vital for maintaining strong bones. Beefsteak tomatoes provide a good amount of vitamin K, which is essential for bone mineralization and preventing osteoporosis. Number 6. Immune support enhancement. Rich in the antioxidant lycopene, beefsteak tomatoes help prevent damage from free radicals, while their vitamin C content supports a robust immune system and keeps frequent illnesses like the common cold and cough at a distance. Regularly incorporating beefsteak tomatoes into your diet can lead to better overall health. Well, that is all about the health benefits of beefsteak tomatoes. However, here are some frequently asked questions about beefsteak tomatoes. Let's check it out. Question 1. What are some popular varieties of beefsteak tomatoes? Popular varieties include Brandywine, Big Boy, Beefmaster, and Mortgage Lifter. Each variety has unique characteristics in terms of flavor, size, and growth habits. Question 2. What are some common uses for beefsteak tomatoes? Beefsteak tomatoes are versatile and can be used in salads, sandwiches, salsas, sauces, and even grilled. Their large size and rich flavor make them ideal for fresh consumption and culinary use. Question 3. Are beefsteak tomatoes good for you? Tomatoes are naturally rich in lycopene, a compound known for its potential to combat prostate cancer and cardiovascular diseases. It's worth noting that beefsteak tomatoes, particularly, offer an even greater content of vitamins when consumed fresh. Question 4. Can you eat beefsteak tomatoes raw? Heirloom tomatoes, which include varieties such as beefsteak, can be enjoyed both raw and cooked. They make excellent additions to salads, sandwiches, or even garnishes for pizzas and bruschettas. Additionally, enhancing their deep and robust taste can be achieved through roasting, grilling, or stewing. Question 5. Are beefsteak tomatoes disease-resistant? Beefsteak tomatoes are a hybrid variety, known for their substantial disease resistance and classic tomato taste. These tomatoes, each weighing between 8 to 12 ounces, are globe-shaped and ideal for slicing onto sandwiches. Question 6. Which is better, beefsteak tomatoes or boy tomatoes? Both are large varieties, but better boys tend to be a bit larger and have a softer texture. Better boys are specifically bred for disease resistance. In contrast, beefsteaks are relatively more susceptible to diseases and require slightly more watering to remain healthy while growing. Question 7. What is another name for beefsteak? Typically referred to as steak, a beefsteak is a thick slice of beef, usually cut across the muscle fibers and having parallel sides. It is common in eateries for a single portion to range from 120 to 600 grams when uncooked. Question 8. What's the difference between tomato and beefsteak tomato? Beefsteak tomatoes, available as either heirloom or hybrid varieties, are distinguished by their considerable size, often weighing more than a pound and measuring over 6 inches in diameter, and their consistency. Compared to other tomato types, they possess smaller seed chambers, resulting in a higher proportion of solid flesh to juice and seeds. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.